Jake here from Kingdom Southend with the Abarth 595 Competizione 70th Anniversary Edition. This is finished in matte grey, straight from the factory, and it's got loads and loads of factory goodies built into this one as well, which you rarely see on the little Abarths. You usually see them quite standard, but this one's got loads of factory fit options. So, starting on the passenger side, we've got unscathed alloys all the way through, the yellow brake calipers straight from factory as well. This is a auto green tyre with plenty of tread on the front. The vehicle's only covered 16,500 miles, bear that in mind. Bonnet looks really, really good. You've got a tiny little stone chip just on the front there, but the front grills, everything look in pristine condition. It does have the bi-xenon, xenon lights and the automatic wipers, so auto lights, auto wipers on this, which is a pretty rare option. Plenty of tread on those tyres on the front there, and another unscathed alloy there. Coming down the side, we've got those 70th anniversary Abarth decals with the 70th anniversary badge just on the side. The matte grey looks really, really cool, and just listen to that Monza exhaust. Just burbling away there, just on idle. These things sound incredible. They're like mini Ferraris. 595 Competizione badge just on the back there. Matte grey with the parking sensors across the bottom. Kumho tyres on the rear, completely unscathed alloy here once again. And as we just look down the passenger side, you can see there's no dents, no marks, no scratches, as all of our cars come very clean, very presentable. And let's take a little look-see on the inside of this car. So we do have the Abarth steering wheel, the flat bottom steering wheel with Alcantara, which is in good condition on the top and the bottom. The vehicle's just covered under 16,500 miles. We've got these beautiful Abarth Seatbelt bucket seats that go all the way through, and the bolster looks in really good condition with the factory fit yellow seat belts. Up here, we've got the Beats audio all the way through the vehicle with the subwoofer in the back. You've got the aluminium gear stick. You've got a carbon fibre weave trim style dashboard piece here on the aircon controls, and this is the genuine carbon fibre that goes all the way through with the upgraded satellite navigation on the top. You've also got the Abarth mats down here with the Abarth pedals. As we look in the back, it looks pretty pristine. Doesn't look like anyone sat in the back there. So overall, really, really good condition. And whilst we're here, we might as well just press that support button and give it a little rev.